You ready, Sebby?
Yeah.
Kid toys are fun.
Toys are fun.
Yeah.
We're ready, eggs, Mummy.
Oh yeah. Today, see, we've got a box of the Kinder Surprises, and these are so they're all Minions Kinder eggs, and we're trying to get all the characters. And we've already started because the Chop and Stomp dinosaur ate one in the last video. Well, not in the next video. See, we've already got a Kevin. There's a Kevin. There's a little gun. And these are really nice little Kinder toys. These ones. Oh. He's got a brush. You see his brush. His hair is actually a little paintbrush type thing. You could use that as a paintbrush. And since we've already got two of them, maybe we could use. Oh, we've also got this one. This one's Dave, and he's got a spring. Oh, he's got a little crown on his head. Was that his hair? No, he doesn't. Yeah. So there's Dave as well. 9 more eggs.
Oh.
Well, we've got 9 more eggs. Let's go for the first egg.
Yay!
Do you want to open it? Okay.
I found a toy.
Okay, we've got a Steve keyring. And it's a keyring because it's got this hook thing on it, so you can put it on your trouser loop or something.
A key.
Yeah, and you put the keys on there, and it'll click together. So that'll go in your trouser hook. Yeah. And there's a gap on the back for these stickers. It comes with these stickers, so you can put numbers on, like phone numbers and things, or a message. And stick them on there. Oh, in fact, I'll take this off. Put this on, so it actually fits. Yeah. So there you go, you can write something on the back. Okay. Well, that's different. I thought we were going to get characters, all characters like these ones. But let's do another egg, Sebby. Next one. Hey, leave some chocolate for Daddy. Do you want me Daddy to open it?
No.
Okay. Right, so this one looks like Steve again, but he's dressed up as a caveman. He's putting it on his base. Okay. Well, that's pretty cool, isn't it? He's bigger. Bigger than the other ones. Compare the size. He's much bigger. Yeah. You can see in his mouth. You can see inside his mouth there. He's got a club. And yeah. They're tied on a piece of string. His glasses are wood and they're tied on a piece of string, which makes sense because he's a caveman. They obviously didn't have metal glasses back then. Next egg. Okay. Get rid of some of the rubbish. Oh, it's a jigsaw.
That's trouble. I found a circle.
Okay. Yeah, there's a jigsaw on this piece of paper. And it's that one. Except it's in pieces. Anyway, that's a jigsaw.
Daddy!
Next egg. We've got 6 left, Sebby. We've got another 6 to go. Another 6 eggs. See what if we get all the toys.
Stop!
Is that Steve again?
Bob.
Steve again, we get all the characters Steve.
Bob.
Except he's a vampire.
Bob.
He's a vampire, isn't he? Vampire Steve.
Bob.
And he actually moves around on this base. Yeah? Oh no, he doesn't. That's his base. It's really cool, Vampire Steve. He's got a little bit of hair on the top. That's cool. Let's put him with the others. Slowly moving about. More. We've got another 5 to go, Sebby. 5 eggs so far. got this one on the spring, and
Oh, I
we've got Kevin.
think.
We're missing his base egg too at the moment.
Me
Oh, we've got the vampire.
Glass.
Oh, and we've got the caveman there.
Glass.
Yeah, cool. So we're missing 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 4 of them. And we've also got a key ring as well, and a jigsaw. So let's see if we can get the other 4.
We're fire. We're fire.
Oh, we've got 2 vampires now. Look at that. See? See, turn them around. 2 of them, duplicate. 2 vampire Daves.
Where was the cat? No.
Oh, we've got another duplicate. It's the caveman. It's the caveman again. Oh, that's not good, is it? We're not going to get the whole set now because we've got 4 more to get. We've only got 3 eggs. There's another egg, Sebby. We'll have to buy some more eggs. We have to buy more eggs, Sebby. It's terrible.
Come
Oh, so we've got 3 of the red Kevins with his little red ray gun now. 2 of them are on white tack, still on wood tack, so lost the bases. And yeah, you've lost the bases, haven't you, Sebby? Well, they're very cool, aren't they? Yeah. Right. Only 2 eggs, and we're missing 4. We're missing 4. Let's see if we can get one that we're missing. I'll give you the egg, and I'll tidy up the last one. You see our rubbish? There's chocolate and rubbish in the box. Yeah, lots of it. Okay. Guess what it is? Guess what it is?
I'm pulling a
It's a boing minion. It's a boing minion. Well, let's move these to the side so we can have them. So we've got 2 of these ones now. Look at that. Who knows which minions are which? Leave it in the comments if you can tell. There's probably a list of these ones on there. So he's got a crown on and he's on a spring. And come back up. We're down to the last egg, Sebby. It's the last egg. He's a bit squished, this egg. This minion egg. Yeah, he's a bit squished. There you go, Sebby. See if we can get one we haven't got already. Oh, something new. It's not a figure, but it's something different. Look. Let's say, see, there's Kevin on that side, Shoot on that side, and it's a plastic stick, and there's a little elastic band holding this together. I presume you go. You make noise. I think people used to do this with spoons back in the 70s. And is that a silly toy? I know it's not a spoon, but I think that's people used to make music with things like that. With a pair of spoons and rattle them on their knees and things. Yes. So there we go. All eggs are all eggs gone. All eggs gone. So we ended up with 3 Kevin's little ray guns and a rattling toy, and 2 of these ones on springs, 2 vampires. I think the favourite's the vampire actually, not the vampire, and 2 cavemen, and a key ring. Oh, hold it. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh well. Now we'll have to get some more so we can get the rest. Kid toys are fun. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Kid toys are fun. Kid toys are fun. Bye. See you next time. Done, honey.